It's June 2018. It's the fourth presentation of the Akula and Ruslan like devices. And I'm thinking of over unity first before I do the free energy. And I've been just following the devices without thinking about it seriously, which is turned to be a mistake. I should have thought about this, and if you're watching this video, then you have to start thinking about this first. How can it be over unity? Over unity means something goes, but something comes back is more. That's the over unity. Then can this one go and come back more? No. If you think about the charge conservation, if it comes more, then it will be here and then it will go out more. So this is not the way. Then how can we visualize some over unity and then breaking the law of physics in a nice way is if the Tesla tower is radiating and it's accumulating the charge in the air or between the earth, let me say it's the earth and then it's the air, charging when the current is going like that, and it's radiating and charging. And because of the charge, the electrons are attracted close to here. When it's charged, then when the Tesla coil is doing the minus voltage, which is turning back, then it turns back and then recombines with this. Then it's no over unity, it's just a unity, which is the ideal case. But let's say that when it goes and then charging, only up to here. But when it comes, something was charged in the air or between the air and the earth. Something was attracted like this to recombine like this. So the air is the capacitor and it has some ionization, just not by the Tesla coil, but for some reason it's in the air. Then this can turn back and then recombine while it's going there, and then it passes through the load. Therefore, you can have some over unity effect. But there is another way. So it's just in the ground. If you have some charge separation, plus and minus charge separation is there, then yes, it's not in between the air. So therefore, this is the reason why sometimes people like to put two different grounds, because they are hoping that one between here and here has some accumulated charge for some reason, and then when it turns back, then it turns back or whichever direction, and then makes some more extra energy. And then how is it charged? I don't know. So because of that, people like to separate the ground. So the load will have two grounds, which I understand, and you have to be serious about this. So if you follow either of these kind of principle, then conclusion is like that. You cannot have over unity in both directions because charge is in one direction. Therefore, you have to harvest only one direction. So one direction, don't worry, just radiate and then hope that it's accumulated in the air or between the air and the earth. And when it turns back, then let's hope that some extra charged ones are attracted. And when it's attracted, then it makes the current like that. And don't use it just like that. When it's attracted, then in the capacitor, you accumulate this, And then when it's accumulated enough, then start using it. That's the real motivation of free energy using the Tesla coil. I've been thinking if there is any other chance to have over unity, like the magnetic field or anything. I don't think so. I don't think so for many reasons. If you have any other source of over unity, which doesn't conflict with the standard physics, then please let me know. So I'm willing to learn more. Actually, that's the reason why I share this kind of presentation. But I think this is the only way, which made me conclude that one direction just radiate and one direction is for use. And when you use it, don't just use it, accumulate and use it, because in the second presentation I showed that because of the resonance between the primary coil, it's gonna make a trumpet-like signal. So you're gonna use only this bit, not everything. So you have to accumulate it. So that's what I think. Okay, let me finish the presentation here.